Imagine a safe and secluded place able to contain millions of tiny particles, ready to release their energy whenever needed. Spain does not have its own natural gas fields. We import all the gas we consume. Demand increases year after year because it is a source of energy which is cleaner, more efficient and competitive than other alternative fuels. The Castor project was devised with the objective of contributing to ensure the availability of natural gas in Spain. It will provide the gas system with greater reliability, since it will have the gas reserves required for peak demand periods or in the event of possible supply failures. Indeed, the key to this is found more than 1,800 meters below the sea, where a porous limestone rock in the marine subsoil offers enough capacity to store more than 1.3 billion cubic meters of gas. This is equivalent to 3 months' consumption in the Spanish region of Valencia. The impermeable layer covering the Castor underground storage guarantees that it is leak-tight. Set up in the region of Valles Maestrat, the plant facilities take the gas from the general gas grid for storage in the submarine underground. To do so, the gas is compressed and transferred via a gas pipeline approximately 30 kilometers long, mostly running under the sea, which connects the Vinaròs land plant to the offshore platform. The platform, located 22 kilometers offshore and anchored to the seabed at a depth of 60 meters, holds the gas injection and extraction wells, which connect it to the marine underground storage. When the gas system requires it, these facilities will be able to return gas from the storage in the same conditions as it was received through the same submarine gas pipeline. All the necessary studies have been carried out to design this storage system, which has been given the support of all public institutions, national, regional and local. Castor is no longer a project, but a reality. Let's see a detailed description of how the Castor natural gas underground storage project is being constructed. The project, developed by the Spanish construction company Cobra of the ACS Group, focuses on 4 main areas. The offshore platforms, one for processing and another for wells. The injection and extraction wells, the interconnection gas pipeline, and the Ignacio Perez land operations plant. It is worth highlighting the considerable technical and logistical complexity of this project due to the large number of interfaces between over 100 suppliers and subcontractors distributed over 3 continents and more than 20 countries. In Europe, Spain, France, Italy, United Kingdom, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, Austria, Portugal, Switzerland, Croatia and Turkey. In Asia, Japan, Malaysia and India. And in America, USA, Canada, Mexico and Brazil. Two interconnected offshore platforms are installed to build and operate the gas storage facility. One platform for wells and another for processes, services and living quarters. The wells platform, built in 8 months with a surface area of approximately 800 square meters on 2 decks and weighing over 3,000 tons, is the first to be put into service. This platform has all the equipment required to support the drilling of the 13 wells, gas test instruments and production equipment, as well as the beaconing and emergency evacuation equipment. The construction of the platform for processes requires 26 months. It has 3 decks, weighs 18,000 tons and contains the compressors for injecting gas underground, all auxiliary services, gas processing units, living quarters and a heliport. The modules at the top of the platforms, referred to as topside, are being assembled in Texas, USA, and the support structures referred to as jacket in Cadiz, Spain. The two platforms are anchored to the seabed using 100-metre piles driven into the ground. By using the second largest marine crane in the world, the Saipem 7000, with a hoisting capacity of 14,000 tonnes, the jacket, 78 metres high, is the first one to be installed in the final location. A controlled flooding system operated by submarine robots regulates the jacket's floatability and ensures that it is gradually flooded and rotated at the same time until reaching the seabed in a vertical position. The jacket must be perfectly aligned with the Castor 1 well, which was drilled for the exploration of the storage facility early in 2005. Following this, using the same crane in conjunction with a higher power hydraulic hammer, the piles weighing over 200 tonnes, 100 metres long and 2 metres in diameter, are driven into the seabed. The next step is to hoist the platform topside and install it over the jacket until leaving it in its final position. This operation requires great precision in order to make the respective guides coincide. The project is being executed in accordance with the strictest health and safety and environmental standards. During construction and operation, auxiliary vessels equipped with cutting-edge technology are permanently on site. Following this, a jack-up type drilling rig, specially brought from Japan, is placed above the platform to start the drilling of the 13 wells needed to satisfy the requirements of the storage system. The jack-up drilling rig is placed less than 5 metres away from the well platform and rests its 3 retractable 150-metre long legs on the seabed. The platform then rises to its working position. The drilling rig then moves forward until positioned on the vertical of the well platform. The drilling work takes approximately 18 months. Gas is transported between the process platform and the operations plant on land through a gas pipeline 30 inches in diameter, built in special steel. This gas pipeline has a length of 30 kilometres, 22 kilometres under the sea and 8 kilometres on land. The site of the Ignacio Perez operations plant lies 8 kilometres inland in the municipality of Vinaros. This is the starting point for the gas pipeline, which connects the entire storage system to the national gas pipeline grid. It includes an administrative building, workshops, warehouses, access control area, and all the equipment for processing the gas injected into or extracted from the storage facility. The commissioning of this plant will complete the Castor project, the most important investment made by the Spanish gas system to guarantee supply and price stability.